it's Brittany Jackson, and today we're going to talk about adding an image to a Moodle quiz. So here I am in the Moodle playground, and I need to come up here and turn editing on. And then I'm going to come down here to begin testing here just because that has less stuff in it. I'm going to click Add an Activity or Resource. Now, from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose Quiz, and I'm going to put it a name. It always requires a name. So if you want to add in an image into the description of a quiz, you could do so right here, just like you would on any other description section. You have this little picture-looking thing. If you click on it, you're going to get asked to browse your repositories and choose a file. I'm going to go up here to Recent Files. I'm going to choose this screenshot, and here I have to put in a description so that a screen reader can read it. It'll come back with an error. Only mark this image as decorative only if it has no bearing on the course, which really you probably shouldn't be using images that have no bearing on the course. So they really should get a description. And then here you can change the size. If you keep it as auto size, it will maintain the shape or the dimensions. If I move that to 200, you see that it maintained it and automatically did it. If I had a check mark off of here, it would then skew the image. You don't want that. And then alignment, I typically leave it as bottom, but you can put top, middle, left, or right. Then you click Save Image, and now you see it's here in the description. So you set the quiz like you normally would. I'm going to leave all of these at their default settings just because we're not looking at any of those items at this moment. And I'm going to hit Save and Display. And once I'm in here, I can see image testing, and I can see that image I had put in. I need to add questions to this quiz. So I click on the gear up here and choose Edit Quiz. I'm now taken to the page where I can add in questions. So I'm going to click Add a New Question, and I'm going to click Let it be multiple choice, and I'll click Add. So you need the question name. And then down here in the question text, you're back to that same HTML toolbar that you've had everywhere. So here you can see for the question, if you wanted an image, you could click on that little image icon again, click on Browse Repositories, upload a file, or go to one that you've recently used, or click on that screenshot again, choose Select File, put in a description, change dimensions if you need to, make sure things are auto-sizing appropriately, choose your alignment, hit Save Image. Now you've got an image in your question. Now, feedback, you can do the same thing. So anytime you've got this HTML bar, you have the option to put in an image. You can also put in an image in your answer choices. So here's that HTML bar. I'm going to choose that little picture again, choose Browse Repositories, and choose Screenshot. Select this file and change the size if you want to, and change the alignment. And then come down here, click Save Image, and now you can see that it's down here in that answer choice. That one will be the correct one because it matches the other one. And then if you want to put it in feedback as well, you can. And let's set up images. And you don't have to fill all of these in like normal. If you need more options, blanks, or 3 more choices. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Changes. And here you can see it takes me out to the quiz bank. And then if I want to preview this, I click on this little plus sign with a magnifying glass. So here you can see the preview quiz question has the image within the question itself, as well as some text here, and then that image that I put in, the answer options as well. So you can see how they displayed here. Scroll down, you see the other information for this particular question for this quiz. So that's really all there is to adding in images to a quiz. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help, and we're in the library. And as always, happy Moodling!